Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between Poco F3 GT versus Realme GT device. And during this time, I'll be using the 5 applications and 5 games. Let's see which phone will be able to open these games and applications faster and which phone can actually store them in the background RAM management. And this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent software update from the Realme GT and even the Poco F3 GT as well. Yes, just a couple of days back, I did receive the recent update, which is a September security patch update. So let me first do the reboot test. And let's see which phone will be able to manage to open these games and applications very faster. So during this time, I'm not using any GT mode. So Snapdragon 888 processor versus Dimensity 1200 chipset. 8GB RAM variant versus 8 plus 5GB RAM variant in the Realme GT. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends, and let's see how much difference it actually makes between this both phones in terms of the opening the speed test. So that's what I'm looking after. And even I'll try to concentrate on RAM management. So which phone has got really good RAM management. So first phone to boot up is the Poco F3 GT. And let's go to the settings and show the Wi-Fi connection. What is the Wi-Fi connection in both phones? Because that's important thing. So is a Wi-Fi connection. So 2.4 GHz. So both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz. So I did clear everything from the background applications. As you can see, there is no background applications. And in the Realme GT device, I need to clear everything from the background RAM management. I mean, in the process manager also, I need to clean some of the apps in the process manager, which is a deep clean, which is present in this phone, which is the deep clean process. So now let's start with the Google Chrome application without wasting any time. Slightly limited to zoom in, so you'll be able to focus properly in the application. Let's start first application, which is the Google Chrome, no background applications, and RAM availability is 4.20 GB. 5.1 GB is available. I just thought of showing you and then starting the test. Let's start with the first Google Chrome. Not bad. So Realme GT did open slightly faster. Amazon, I think both phones were able to open slightly kind of very close. So loading speeds, you can see how fast they are trying to load. Flipkart also similar kind of difference. Nothing much major difference is there. And is a touch sampling application which I'm trying to write some lines. So in this application, there are some kind of small lines, as you can see. Friends, in the Realme GT, this application is not supported. I think that's the reason you're seeing this kind of small lines are there. But exactly, I'm trying to write down as well. Let's see whether these lines will be there in the background RAM management or not. I'll try to show you exactly what I meant. And next is the Play Store. Play Store, no problem. Both phones did open faster. And next is games. This is Subway Surf game. Let's see which phone can actually open this Subway Surf game faster. 1, 2, 3. So both phones are loading pretty much good speed. First is the Realme GT did open slightly faster than the Poco F3 GT, just a little bit. Next, see Asphalt 9 game 1, 2, then 3. So I'm not using any game space. There is no game turbo, nothing enabled. There is no GT mode, no high performance mode. So without using any kind of mode, let's see now Asphalt 9 game which phone can open fast. This is going to be really very interesting, friends, in terms of the speed test. And first the Poco F3 GT. Yes, the Poco F3 GT was able to open faster than the Realme GT device. Dimensity 1200 chipset. So let's go to the home page and next game is a Battlegrounds mobile game 1, 2 and 3. Both phones I did click at same time. And let's see this game, Battlegrounds mobile game. So Asphalt 9. Again, I think the Battlegrounds mobile game also may open faster in the Poco F3 GT. Because of the loading speed, you can see slightly kind of fast than the Realme GT. As you can see, friends, wow, that's fantastic. So very much faster than the Realme GT device. You can see. Next is a Call of Duty game. Let's see what happens with this game 1, 2 and 3. So that is the main reason I did include, friends, this kind of games as well along with applications. So we'll get a clear idea. So using applications, not an issue. Using games, and if you try to do the speed test, this is the result. Let me just click at same time 1, 2 and 3. Both I did click at same time. And now let's see the loading. So both phones are loading with my profile. And which one will show my profile first? First is Poco F3 GT. Then the Realme GT device. Wow. So that's kind of interesting, friends, to see if the Poco F3 GT was able to perform without any high performance mode, nothing enabled, but still the phone was able to deliver faster opening speeds. That is what I meant. So maybe if I use the GT mode in the Realme GT, then I may get the better results. So this game slightly opened faster in the Realme GT, just a little bit. But overall, still the Poco F3 GT was able to manage faster than the Realme GT. Not even equal, slightly faster. That's kind of good to see this kind of performance levels. And right now is all the 5 games and 5 applications completely open in the background. Let's start with the opening one by one. Let's start with the back side. So both phones should be able to store this kind of 4 games and 5 games without much kind of problem. And the problem comes with the 5th game. Some phones they cannot store it, some UIs. Yes, so 5 games successfully done without any problem in both phones. Next is a Play Store. Play Store also not an issue. Next is touch sampling that application. So this one you may not be able to see it because it's very small lines. I think you will be able to see these small lines. And let me hit open. And Realme GT doesn't have any kind of lines, and the Poco F3 GT has got lines in the background RAM management. So let's test another application, which is a Flipkart. Sorry, I did open by mistake the game, but let's see the Flipkart application. Yes. So this is a Flipkart. Let's see the Flipkart 1, 2, and which opened instant. That's what I'm looking after. Instant reaction should be there. It should not load. So it took Realme GT took some time to load it. That's why I did mention instant reaction. Let's see Amazon. What happens with Amazon One? This phone you can see, right? OnePlus Nord 2 clearly in the background RAM management. Let's 1, 2, and 3. Boom. The Poco F3 GT was able to keep the Amazon applications as well in the background RAM management. So this is the result we are getting, friends. Even in the Google Chrome as well, it did not even get reloaded in the Poco F3 GT. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones in the speed test and the RAM management test. The speed test and RAM management test slightly got better in the Poco F3 GT, even after the recent update as well. That's kind of really good to see. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. It's a quick comparison. And meanwhile, don't forget to check the playlist for more information as well. And next time I'll try to use the GT mode, and then I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison. So stay tuned for those videos. Signing off, friends. Meanwhile, bye.